Force. Okay, so the Anti-Money Laundering Act is there. The lawyers, the law students here. And we will also be learning, we have business laws, and then law relating to banking, all of them. So some of these laws, you have to know them. And then the Bank of Ghana guidelines, they are there. And then the Financial Action Task Force. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, okay. And then team mapping. Mention 3 emerging KYC trends in Ghana according to the CIB Ghana. Our boss is here. So, let him know that we know.
Please, the question again. The question again, please.
The question again, okay. Mention 3 emerging KYC trends in Ghana according to the CIB Ghana. Hello? So, no attempt. Okay. Please, so their integration with national identification system. Integration with national identification system. So now your Ghana card, the account that you've opened, you see that they've linked it to your, apart from maybe if you have your passports, driving license and all that, still they use your Ghana card. They will add it to it. Okay, and then you have the cross-border KYC initiatives. Because KYC is a huge tax for bankers. So always there are emerging transparent ways of solving problems. Okay. And then we have the anti-money laundering and then the CFT reporting and all that. Okay, thank you. So the next one, I'm going to Team Stars. Mention the 3 specific documents required to fulfill the requirement under KYC when opening an account for individuals.
National IDs. That is the Ghana card, the customer's address, and the type of work.
Okay, forgive me. I think for this session, let's add extra maybe 5 seconds so that they have 15 seconds. Okay. 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 Okay.
Okay.
Because some of them are sentences, so. Please pay attention when you are starting. When I read the question you are starting, you have to let us know. And then you start counting from that time. Okay. Yes. Because we want to acquire knowledge too, in addition to winning. So that's why I want you to be able to tell us. Because I know most of you have the answers, but maybe you feel that the time is short, so you don't want to. So please, let's try and tell us what you know about it within that time. If we have to add extra, then we will do that. Okay, so that our audience will also pick something home. Mention, this one is for Team World. Stars. Mention the 3 specific documents required to fulfill the requirements under KYC when opening an account for individuals.
Thank you, madam. So the address of the customer, the valid identification card, which may be the Ghana card, and maybe the work of the customer to the occupation to avoid anti-money monetary laundering practices.
Okay, okay. But I'll give you 2 out of 3. The identification card is very important, but this one we have something called verification or proof. So you might have the card, or you might also have, the customer might have given you his or her address, but you have to verify it. You have to prove it. Did you see the difference? It's different from me just telling you that I'm in Pentecost University. But you have to have a way to call the department that I work in to be very sure, call my boss to verify that truly I work here. You see the difference? And better still, if I have a Ghana card too, there's also a system that they can use to verify the Ghana card. Because now some people can also have other people's card. Because maybe the face, they look familiar. Like they look almost the same as the person. So maybe you might think it's this person that you are dealing with. But maybe it's a different person. Okay. And sometimes on the Ghana card too, the names are almost the same. So you have to prove it. So that's why you have the thumbprint and all that. So apart from the face, the name, there's extra way of verifying it. The age and all that, they have other details that it might not be the same. There might be someone with Mesikwache with the same round face like mine, but other information might not be the same. Is it clear? Okay, thank you. So 2 out of 3, okay. Okay, so the next one is to team, who is next? Title. Oh, won't you say you are next? Say you are next to show that you are ready for the question. Okay, so the question is, mention the 3 specific documents required to fulfill the requirements under KYC when opening an account for businesses.
We have the certificate of incorporation, the tax identification number, and then the names and addresses of the directors.
Okay, thank you very much. So these ones are for businesses. The first one was for individuals. So it's correct, 3 marks. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think we are done for the first round. So we'll wait for our scores. Thank you very much. Okay.
Hello there. Get ready for an exciting intellectual experience. The Accounting and Finance Department under the Faculty of Business Administration of Pentecost University proudly presents the maiden edition of Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge 2025, happening on the 3rd of December at 9:30 a.m. sharp at the JM Auditorium. This challenge brings together brilliant minds to explore real-world ethical issues in banking, finance, and corporate decision-making. Find a team to learn and experience a touch of academic excellence and scholarship on fire.
Hello, lovely viewers. Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge is once again here at Pentecost University. My name is Adalem Joseph Ayinsongba, representing Team A. Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge is a program that is hosted by the Banking and Finance Department for all banking and accounting students. It is a quiz challenge. It is happening live at the GM Auditorium, coming live on 3rd December 2025. I will be expecting to see you there. It will be a great experience. I am representing Team Titans and my colleagues out there. Excellent answers, excellent brains.
Hello everyone, we are the Team Excellence and my name is Dakwa Samuel with my colleagues.
My name is Oporo Prince.
My name is Opoko Richmond.
We are the contestants for the upcoming Medium Banking and Finance Ethics Challenge, which is organized by the Accounting and Finance Department of the Pentecost University.
Watch out for us.
We are coming with fire.
You can't afford to miss this program. See you there.
You can't afford to miss this program. See you there.
You can't afford to miss this program. See you there.
This program is proudly sponsored by CIB Ghana, Vodek Africa, Benkov Creative Media, and Pentvars. Our media partners are Pensa PU Media Team, Video Africa, Benkov Creative Media, and Confidence TV.
So freaking cute sometimes, yeah.
Hello there. Get ready for an exciting intellectual experience. The Accounting and Finance Department under the Faculty of Business Administration of Pentecost University proudly presents the maiden edition of Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge 2025, happening on the 3rd of December at 9:30 a.m. sharp at the JM Auditorium. This challenge brings together brilliant minds to explore real-world ethical issues in banking, finance, and corporate decision-making. Find a team to learn and experience a touch of academic excellence and scholarship on fire.
Hello, lovely viewers. Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge is once again here at Pentecost University. My name is Adelem Joseph Ayinsongba, representing Team A. Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge is a program that is hosted by the Banking and Finance Department for all banking and accounting students. It is a quiz challenge. It is happening live at the GM Auditorium, coming live on 3rd December 2025. I will be expecting to see you there. It will be a great experience. I am representing Team Titans and my colleagues out there. Excellent answers, excellent brains.
Hello everyone, we are the Team Excellence and my name is Dakwasamo with my colleagues.
My name is Okoro. My name is Okoro Richmond.
We are the contestants for the upcoming Medium Banking and Finance Ethics Challenge, which is organized by the Accounting and Finance Department of the Pentecost University.
Watch out for us.
We are coming with fire.
You can't afford to miss this program. See you there.
You can't afford to miss this program. See you there.
You can't afford to miss this program. See you there.
Team Excellence, 12 points. Okay. Team Titans, 14 points. Team Stars, 11 points. Team Mapping, 5 points. Thank you. So we are continuing to round 2. Round 2. Please, you have to pay attention to this because this area includes technical banking and sustainable banking. So the first set, we have a common preamble. Okay, so that's we will use to answer 5 questions. So pay attention to the case. In 2019, the Bank of Ghana introduced sustainable banking principles to guide banks and financial institutions in integrating environmental, social, and governance, that's ESG, considerations into their operations. These principles reflect the growing recognition that the financial sector plays a crucial role in fostering sustainable development by promoting responsible banking practices. There are 7 core principles introduced by the Bank of Ghana. For each of the scenario, one will present to you. You are required to tell me and the audience too, the principle applicable. You only have 1 attempt. only have one attempt. Okay. So I'm starting from team mapping. A, that's A. Expanding digital banking services to reach remote areas where access to physical bank branches is limited. Is what principle?
Digital banking.
Let me come again. Expanding digital banking services. Digital banking services to reach remote areas where access to physical bank branches is limited.
Decentralized banking system. Decentralized banking.
It's okay. We said one attempt, but wanted to give you another chance because you use digital banking. This one is called financial inclusion. Financial inclusion. So so no mark for them for this one. Okay. And then the next one, I'm continuing with Team Stars, ensuring that finance projects do not involve child labor, forced labor, or exploitation of marginalized groups. What principle is this?
Social banking principle.
You see, we will not take this one. Okay, so no mark for that. It's human rights. Human rights. Because they are principles, we cannot substitute the names. Okay, so it's human rights. The next one is Titan, Team Titan. Establishing a code of ethics that guide the conduct of employees, management, and board members. Establishing a code of ethics that guide the conduct of employees, management, and board members. Please, what principle is that?
Regulatory compliance.
Please, no. So the answer, do no mark for this one too. So the technical principle is called, or is corporate governance and ethical standards. Corporate governance and ethical standards. Okay. So Team Excellence. Ensuring that customers and projects funded by the bank comply with national environmental and social regulations. Ensuring that customers and projects funded by the bank comply with national environmental and social regulations.
Green banking.
No. The answer is environmental and social risk management. Environmental and social risk management. So no mark, please, for this one. So bold vision. Creating policies that support women's participation in the financial sector, both as employees and customers.
Women economic development.
Okay, I will give 2 out of 3 for this one. 2 out of 3. The principle is women's economic empowerment. Audience, do you have any question? So I heard something. Maybe someone has read this principle and wants to give us a closer name. Okay. So we are going to the second set. I will continue with Team Star. The practice of lending money in a manner that is consistent with ethical standards, social responsibility, and sustainability is known as the practice of lending money in a manner that is consistent with ethical standards, social responsibility, and sustainability is known as Please speak up.
Environmental and social sustainability in banking.
No, it's wrong. So please, no mark for this one, okay? No mark. So it's ethical lending. It's the practice of lending money in a manner that is consistent with ethical standards, social responsibility, and sustainability. So it's ethical lending. Okay. So I'll continue with Team Titans. The provision of financial support for projects and businesses that have positive environmental and social impact is known as
Green bonds.
No, please. It's okay, you have only one attempt. It's okay. So no mark for this one. Team, no mark. It's called sustainable lending. We are talking about lending. We are classifying the lending. Okay, based on the type or the objective. Okay. The next one is Team Excellence. The provision of financial resources to projects and initiatives that improve energy efficiency or transition to renewable energy sources is known as
Renewable resources.
Please.
Renewable resources.
Sorry, it's called energy efficiency financing. So no mark for this one too. Okay. Okay. So Team Bold Vision. A contract between government agencies and private investors in which the government pays for social services based on the successful outcome received is...
Please, we didn't hear you.
Sorry. A contract between government agencies and private investors in which the government pays for social services based on the successful outcome received is called
green bonds.
No. So this one to no mark for this one. Okay. Because it's a terminology, we want you to mention the exact term. So the brother who said because we are not substituting the sentences or the words, because they are technical words. You see, our profession, we don't have the room to be using simile words or antonym, those things. This is technical words. So you have to, or principles, you have to know them. Is it clear? So if you don't know them now, then another time, then we can become better. Is it clear? Okay. So this one is social impact bond. So the word bond is there, but the social impact aspect is not there. So the person cannot get the full, even no mark for this one at all. Okay, sorry, I'm sorry about that. Because of my name, I want to give all the marks, but once you don't get it, I also cannot give you. Okay, so pardon me, audience. Okay, so the next one is a team mapping. The integration of environmental, social, and governance factors into investment decision-making processes to achieve sustainable financial returns while contributing positive societal impact is known as
responsible investment.
Thank you. So full mark for this one. So we have the third set. I will start with you. But it's a preamble for all of us to pay attention. Okay. So please pay attention. The UN Principles for Responsible Investment is an international initiative aimed at understanding the investment implications of environmental, social, and governance. That's the ESG factors. The UNPRI comprises 6 principles that signatory organizations commit to implementing. State 1 principle each. State 1 principle each. Okay, so team mapping.
Be active. Active owners incorporate ESG issues into owners' policies and practices.
Thank you. It's correct for full mark. Please hold on with the clapping for the sake of our online audience. Yes. So please, I hope you are. Yes. So we are going on. The next one is Team Stars. Mention one of such principles. Yes. This one is on ESG.
Okay, so handling investors' funds ethically and using it to finance ethically accepted projects.
Please, the principal, re-emphasize it. I'm checking to see whether I can get some of the key words in what you said. But so I'll just give you the chance to repeat yourself. So I check the key words here and see whether some are.
Investing the people's finance ethically and using it to fund ethically accepted projects.
Oh, I'm sorry. I think this one, no mark for you for this one. Okay, yeah. Please, Team Titan, when we are done, I'll mention all the principles, okay? I don't want to mention them now for some other team to hear. So, Team Titan.
Investing in energy-efficient projects that does not have negative impact on the environment and the society.
Okay. Okay. I think I'll give you 2 out of 3. Okay. We have here incorporating ESG issues in investment analysis and decision-making process. So in the long run, for you to decide to give a loan or to invest in a particular business, you would have assessed the impact on the environment. Okay. So 2 out of 3. Team excellence.
So raising funds to invest in environmental projects. That have benefits.
Raising funds
to invest in environmental projects that will benefit the society.
Sorry, no. So no mark for this one. Team excellence. Team bold vision. So team excellence, no mark for this one. And then the last chance is given to any of the principles. The principles are
So
6.
principle number 1 says decision makers must incorporate ESG principles in their decision making.
Oh, sorry, someone has mentioned that. So the one said investing, checking the environmental issues before investing your money in that business.
So number 2, organizations must incorporate ESG principles in their policies and practices.
Yes, the team mapping also mentioned that. So please give us another one.
So organizations must report ESG principles on the projects, ESG projects, and ESG impact on projects funded.
Okay. Thank you. So it's correct. So full mark for that. So the principles are incorporating ESG issues into investment analysis and decision-making processes. And the second one is be active owners and incorporate ESG issues in ownership policies and practices. The third one is seek appropriate disclosure of ESG issues by the entities in which they invest. The fourth one is promote acceptance and implementation of the principles within the investment industry. The fifth one is work together to enhance their effectiveness in implementing the principles. And the sixth one is report on the activities and progress towards implementing the principles. Okay, so you can see that we have just been fair. Some of what you said, most of you, the principle, they were not close to the principles. Okay. So we are going on. The next one is, I will start with team bold vision. Bold vision. Green bonds are fixed income financial instruments designed to raise funds for projects with positive environmental impact. State 3 types of green bonds.
All right, so we have paperless banking, green building projects, and then social impact bonds.
Okay, I think I'll give you 1 out of 3. I have here use of proceeds bonds, and then green revenue bonds, and green project bonds. So it's 1 out of 3. 1 out of 3. Okay. And the next one is efficiency, energy efficiency. I'm going to team excellence. Energy efficiency. Energy efficiency financing is the provision of financial resources to projects and initiatives that improve energy efficiency or transition to renewable energy sources. Mention any 3 types of energy efficiency financing as required in the manual.
Fintech, and we have renewable resources.
You said what?
Fintech.
Fintech.
Yes, and renewable resources.
And
renewable resources.
Renewable resources. Okay, sorry. They are not within this one. Okay. Okay, so for this one, the answers, 3 types of energy saving financing are direct lending, green bonds, energy performance contracts, government initiatives, and subsidies. Okay. Please, I hope it's fair. The next one is I'll continue with Team Titan. Renewable energy projects involve the generation of energy from renewable sources, such as solar, wind, hydro, and biomass. There are 3 financing mechanisms for renewable energy projects. Mention them. The question again. Okay. Renewable energy projects involve the generation of energy from renewable sources, such as solar, wind, hydro, and biomass. There are 3 financing mechanisms for renewable energy projects. Mention them, please.
Green bonds, giving concessional loans to organizations that are undertaking renewable energy projects. And
Please, are you done? Please, did you hear him? Please speak up.
Green bonds.
Please, I want someone to listen, so when I give the answers, then you can confirm whether it's fair or it's not fair. Is it clear? Because we are all doing this together. We are here to learn. Please repeat yourself. What you said, yeah.
Green bonds, giving concessional loans to organizations that are undertaking energy renewable project. And what else again? Encouraging organizations to use energy efficient project, like energy efficient using energy efficient projects.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Please, did you hear any of the points? Okay, so we are talking about the types. You see, in banks, when you are financing a project or when you are giving out loans, we have different types. and then the categories and the amounts and all the purpose and all that. Is it clear? So these types, the types that I have here are project financing, and then we have equity financing, and we also have public-private partnership. So these are the three main classification, or better still, the categories that you can get funds. If you are engaging in this solar, or like you are also doing something that will generate energy, and you know it's very expensive here. So it might not be all the banks that can even finance this project. Okay, so these are the broad, so that's why we have public and government, or public-private partnership. You see the way, so these are the broad headings. Audience, I hope it's fair. So no mark for this one. Okay. So I'm going to the next one, excellence, team excellence. So environmental, social, and governance, ESG, criteria refer to a set of standards that conscious investors use to screen potential investments. Sorry. Team Stars. It's Team Stars, not Team Excellence. Thank you. Team Stars. Okay. Environmental, social, and governance, ESG, criteria refer to a set of standards that conscious investors use to screen potential investments. 4 tools and frameworks that can help investors in evaluating ESG criteria were listed in the manual. Mention 3 of them.
So social, investing in things that benefit social, investing in economical, and...
No, wait, we are talking about framework or standards or policies, documents. Please, so come again with your point. Any attempt? No attempt. Okay. Yes. So the frameworks are sustainable reporting standards, ESG rating agencies, UN principles for responsible investment, carbon disclosure projects. So all these are standards or documents that they will use to apply when you are to this project. Okay. So team mapping. ESG benchmarks are tools used to evaluate the performance of investment based on ESG criteria. They provide investors with standardized way to assess the sustainability and ethical practices of companies within their portfolio. Mention 3 types of ESG benchmarks as used in the manual.
Social impact projects.
And what again? Time up. Okay, so this one too. No mark for this one. I have here positive screening benchmarks. Positive screening benchmarks. Negative screening benchmarks. Thematic ESG benchmarks and hybrid benchmarks. Okay. These are technical words that we have to know. We can't substitute them with different words. Okay. Because they are documents. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. So we have come to the end of round 2. Thank you very much.
Hello there. Get ready for an exciting intellectual experience. The Accounting and Finance Department under the Faculty of Business Administration of Pentecost University proudly presents the maiden edition of Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge 2025, happening on the 3rd of December at 9:30 a.m. sharp at the JM Auditorium. This challenge brings together brilliant minds to explore real-world ethical issues in banking, finance, and corporate decision-making. Find a team to learn and experience a touch of academic excellence and scholarship on fire.
Hello, lovely viewers. Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge is once again here at Pentecost University. My name is Adalem Joseph Ayinsongba, representing Team A. Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge is a program that is hosted by the Banking and Finance Department for all banking and accounting students. It is a quiz challenge. It is happening live at the GM Auditorium, coming live on 3rd December 2025. I will be expecting to see you there. It will be a great experience. I am representing Team Titans and my colleagues out there. Excellent answers, excellent brains.
Hello everyone, we are the Team Excellence and my name is Dakwa Samuel with my colleagues.
My name is Okoro Richmond.
We are the contestants for the upcoming Medium Banking and Finance Ethics Challenge, which is organized by the Accounting and Finance Department of the Pentecost University.
Watch out for us.
We are coming with fire.
You can't afford to miss this program. See you there.
You can't afford to miss this program. See you there.
You can't afford to miss this program. See you there.
This program is proudly sponsored by CIB Ghana, Vodek Africa, Benkov Creative Media, and Pentvars. Our media partners are Pensa PU Media Team, Video Africa, Benkov Creative Media, and Confidence TV.
My, so freaking cute sometimes, yeah.
Hello there. Get ready for an exciting intellectual experience. The Accounting and Finance Department under the Faculty of Business Administration of Pentecost University proudly presents the maiden edition of Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge 2025, happening on the 3rd of December at 9:30 a.m. sharp at the JM Auditorium. This challenge brings together brilliant minds to explore real-world ethical issues in banking, finance, and corporate decision-making. Find a team to learn and experience a touch of academic excellence and scholarship on fire.
Hello, lovely viewers. Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge is once again here at Pentecost University. My name is Adalem Joseph Ayinsongba, representing Team A. Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge is a program that is hosted by the Banking and Finance Department for all banking and accounting students. It is a quiz challenge. It is happening live at the GM Auditorium, coming live on 3rd December 2025. I will be expecting to see you there. It will be a great experience. I am representing Team Titans and my colleagues out there. Excellent answers, excellent brains.
Hello everyone, we are the Team Excellence and my name is Dakwa Samuel with my colleagues.
My name is Okoro Richmond.
We are the contestants for the upcoming Medium Banking and Finance Ethics Challenge, which is organized by the Accounting.
2 points. Stars, no point for now. Mapping, 6 points. Okay. So they should be clapping. Okay. It will not. Okay. Okay, we also have our media sponsors. We have Kobe Confidence and Banking Ethics Challenge on YouTube. So let's also acknowledge them. Okay, so we are going to round 3. That is the evasion round. So by special request from the head of department, you are to clap to support your team, to cheer them up for this round so that they can excel to the next round. Okay, so when we ask the question, wait for them to answer and wait for me, for now, as the quiz mistress, to state whether it's correct or wrong before you start clapping. Please, is it fair? Because the moment they read or they say the answer and you start clapping, you wouldn't know whether it's correct or wrong. And then if later I give you the answer, and then it might also make you feel bad. And it can also affect the recording. Is it okay? So please, you will clap, but let's acknowledge the marks and record it, then you clap. Okay, thank you very much. So the round 3 is a case study. So this one, they have more minutes to think through it. Please, are you ready? The minute for the round 3. Done reading. Now. Okay. Okay, so round 3 is case study. So please, we have put some sheets on your table. Please turn them. I'm going to read for you, and then we have 5 minutes to think through the case and answer. 5 minutes to think through the case and answer. So please pay attention. I'll read only once. So Akosia, a new customer walks into Unity Bank to open a savings account. She is 22 years old and a recent university graduate. She provides her Ghana card, a digital address, and a voter ID card. However, she insists she cannot provide proof of employment, stating she's into private business. She's into private business. During the KYC process, she attempted to deposit 180,000 Ghana cedis in cash, claiming it is gift from friends. 180,000 Ghana cedis cash, claiming it's gift from friends. She also requests that the bank immediately transfer 150,000 to a foreign account in Dubai. When the customer service officer requests more details about the source of funds, she becomes irritated and says, "Is it your money? just do the transfer. Later, the system flags her account and requires she has no prior banking history. She has no prior banking history. Required. Using banking ethics and anti-money laundering principle, that's AML principles. Explain how the bank employee should handle this case. In your answer, show how KYC, ethical responsibility, suspicious transaction reporting, and proper customer communication apply. Please, you have 5 minutes. Yes, we are starting. So when the bell comes, then it shows that we are ending. Thank you, sir. some 2 minutes, okay, to stretch up. Okay, so 2 minutes, so you can stretch a little and come back.
Hurry now and grab these exclusive flash.
Hello there. Get ready for an exciting intellectual experience. The Accounting and Finance Department under the Faculty of Business Administration of Pentecost University proudly presents the maiden edition of Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge 2025, happening on the 3rd of December at 9:30 a.m. sharp at the JM Auditorium. This challenge brings together brilliant minds to explore real-world ethical issues in banking, finance, and corporate decision-making. Find a team to learn and experience a touch of academic excellence and scholarship.
We are this program. See you there.
This program is proudly sponsored by CIB Ghana, Bodak Africa, Benkov Creative Media, and Pentvars. Our media partners are Pencil PU Media Team, Video Africa, Benkov Creative Media, and Confidence TV.
So freaking cute sometimes.
Hello there. Get ready for an exciting intellectual experience. The Accounting and Finance Department under the Faculty of Business Administration of Pentecost University proudly presents the maiden edition of Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge 2025, happening on the 3rd of December at 9:30 a.m. sharp as a JM Auditorium. This challenge brings together brilliant minds to explore real-world ethical issues in banking, finance, and corporate decision-making. Find a team to learn and experience a touch of academic excellence and scholarship on fire.
Hello, lovely viewers. Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge is once again here at Pentecost University. My name is Adalem Joseph Ayinsongba, representing Team A. Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge is a program that is hosted by the Banking and Finance Department for all banking and accounting students. It is a quiz challenge. It is happening live at the GM Auditorium, coming live on 3rd December 2025. I will be expecting to see you there. It will be a great experience. I am representing Team Titans and my colleagues out there. Excellent answers, excellent brains.
Hello everyone, we are the Team Excellence and my name is Dakwa Samuel with my colleagues.
My name is Opoko Richmond.
We are the contestants for the upcoming Medium Banking and Finance Ethics Challenge, which is organized by the Accounting and Finance Department of the Pentecost University.
Watch out for us.
We are coming with fire.
You can't afford to miss this program. See you there.
You can't afford to miss this program. See you there.
You can't afford to miss this program. See you there.
This program is proudly sponsored by CIB Ghana, Vodek Africa, Benkov Creative Media, and Pentvars. Our media partners are Pencil PU Media Team, Video Africa, Benkov Creative Media, and Confidence TV.
My, so freaking cute sometimes, yeah.
Hello there. Get ready for an exciting intellectual experience. The Accounting and Finance Department under the Faculty of Business Administration of Pentecost University proudly presents the maiden edition of Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge 2025, happening on the 3rd of December at 9:30 a.m. sharp at the JM Auditorium. This challenge brings together brilliant minds to explore real-world ethical issues in banking, finance, and corporate decision-making. Find a team to learn and experience a touch of academic excellence and scholarship on fire.
Hello, lovely viewers. Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge is once again here at Pentecost University. My name is Adalem Joseph Ayinsongba, representing Team A. Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge is a program that is hosted by the Banking and Finance Department for all banking and accounting students. It is a quiz challenge. It is happening live at the GM Auditorium, coming live on 3rd December 2025. I will be expecting to see you there. It will be a great experience. I am representing Team Titans and my colleagues out there. Excellent answers, excellent brains.
Hello everyone, we are the Team Excellence and my name is Dakwa Samuel with my colleagues.
My name is Opoko Richmond.
We are the contestants for the upcoming Medium Banking and Finance Ethics Challenge, which is organized by the Accounting and Finance Department of the Pentecost University.
Watch out for us.
We are coming with fire.
You can't afford to miss this program. See you there.
You can't afford to miss this program. See you there.
You can't afford to miss this program. See you there.
This program is proudly sponsored by CIB Ghana, Vodek Africa, Benkov Creative Media, and Pentvars. Our media partners are Pencil PU Media Team, Video Africa, Benkov Creative Media, and Confidence TV.
My, so freaking cute sometimes, yeah.
Hello there. Get ready for an exciting intellectual experience. The Accounting and Finance Department under the Faculty of Business Administration of Pentecost University proudly presents the maiden edition of Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge 2025, happening on the 3rd of December at 9:30 a.m. sharp at the JM Auditorium. This challenge brings together brilliant minds to explore real-world ethical issues in banking, finance, and corporate decision-making. Find a team to learn and experience a touch of academic excellence and scholarship on fire.
Hello, lovely viewers. Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge is once again here at Pentecost University. My name is Adalem Joseph Ayinsongba, representing Team A. Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge is a program that is hosted by the Banking and Finance Department for all banking and accounting students. It is a quiz challenge. It is happening live at the GM Auditorium, coming live on 3rd December 2025. I will be expecting to see you there. It will be a great experience. I am representing Team Titans and my colleagues out there. Excellent answers, excellent brains.
Hello everyone, we are the Team Excellence and my name is Dakwa Samuel with my colleagues.
My name is Opoko Richmond.
We are the contestants for the upcoming Medium Banking and Finance Ethics Challenge, which is organized by the Accounting and Finance Department of the Pentvars University.
Watch out for us.
We are coming with fire.
You can't afford to miss this program. See you there.
You can't afford to miss this program. See you there.
You can't afford to miss this program. See you there.
This program is proudly sponsored by CIB Ghana, Vodek Africa, Benkov Creative Media, and Pentvars. Our media partners are Pensa PU Media Team, Video Africa, Benkov Creative Media, and Confidence TV.
So freaking cute.
The case that we read, I'll read the summary answers, then I'll read small portion of what each one wrote. Then you can compare with the scoring. The round 3 is 10 marks. It's 10 marks. And it's also the evasion stage. So the first point that we are expecting under this is the KYC or customer due. Know your KYC, know your customer. And then the CDD is customer due diligence. Okay, so the person brought in that huge money, a fresh graduate who is not able to disclose the business that he's doing, and he has brought in this money. You need to do more check on that person. So that's the identification and verification of his ID. Sources of fund, you need, as she told you, it's just friends who send the money. You need to really prove into that. And then you also have to find the source of the money, the friends that she's even talking about. You need to know more about that. You also have to look at the age, 22 years and all that, and he's able to raise, or the friends are able to give her 180,000, and then and this one is more like a falls under the anti-money laundering guidelines or acts. It's suspicious. That's why the account is flagged. So you have to also look at the ethical responsibility of the bank employee, okay? And then you act in honesty and protect the bank. The bank employee will have to act in honesty and protect the bank. We also have to have the employee will have to also conduct professionally. When you are suspecting someone, you don't have to make the person, you are not trained policemen or women. So you have to have a way to go about it. You have to have a way to go about it. And then you also have to protect the information that the customer has given you. Yes. So, and then we have the CFT responsibilities. Okay, so you assess the transaction for suspicion. And then you have to decline the transaction because you have to protect the bank. You decline or you delay the transaction. And then you file a suspicious transaction report. That's the STR. These are what you do, STR reports. So you record the behavior, with the items that the person has put in, all that. And then you properly communicate to the customer. Okay, you have to let the customer know. So my former place, what we're doing, sometimes some of these transactions, you call your boss, your next department head. You call the person to an office. Then you start asking more questions. So the boss, with his or her experience, will be able to manage that person better before even the police, if it has to go to police or something, before the person will even be arrested. You can't just say, go, you are a thief, or you stolen the money. No. You have to have a way to go about it professionally, so that the customer will know that you know you're right. Okay, so this point that I've mentioned, let's see what each team wrote. So under Team Excellence, they said, using the Anti-Money Laundering Act, the employee should explain which states that any illegal fund which is legally obtained is not acceptable and it breaches the disclosure principle because a suspicious transaction was caught. So this is all that they wrote for the 10 marks. So they are getting 3 marks for this one. 3 marks for that, okay, for the case study. And then Team Stars. Let's also listen to what they wrote. The bank is required to verify the identification and verification. Since verification is not included, she is suspicious for drug trafficking and anti-money laundering. She does want to disclose the source of her money. That is, insisting disclosing her occupation. In this case, bank has to restrict the account. Investigate by disclosing the friends who gave out money. Duty of care, that's protecting the bank. This one I'm adding protecting the bank to it, but they wrote duty of care. Ethical responsibilities when investigating. So for them, I'll give 5/10. That's Team Stars, 5/10. And then we have Team Mapping. They said in KYC, there are basic requirement documents needed in opening an account. These are Ghana card, valid, passport, personal details, proof of address, and source of funds of the customer. In this scenario, the basic requirements, some of the basic requirements are met, but the source of funds was not disclosed. The ethical responsibility of the customer is to disclose his or her source of funds. But in this case, it wasn't. She claims to be a student and a private business owner. Immediate deposit of 180,000 into the account after opening of the account, and the immediate transfer of 150,000 into a foreign account in Dubai shows a suspicious transaction reporting of money laundering. The bank must verify the Anti-Money Laundering Act measures to discover the source of funds. So for them to, I'll give 5/10. So that's the mapping, 5/10. And then we also have bold vision. Bold vision. So they also wrote, know your customer or KYC. Rule is applied to all banks. All bank customers and must be treated equally. The bank must not open the account in the first place. There is no proof of source of funds, which reflects money laundering. Ethical responsibility. The bank must follow the ethical code of conduct and apply. Suspicious transaction reporting. The bank is guided by the Anti-Money Laundering Reporting Act 2020 at 1. Okay, it's okay, I'm not going to that. And then the Financial Action Task Force, and should report for further investigation by applying anti-money laundering reporting, by applying anti-money laundering principles. The bank should conduct customer identification program. Proper communication. The bank should explain KYC principles to customer before the opening of account for them. The bank should, so for them, I think I will give 7/10. Because they have talked about proper communication. You remember I mentioned the point. They've also talked about the standards or the act that they have to apply. Okay, so for them, they have gone extra. And the KYC is also there. The KYC, the information that are vital for you to even use to open an account. So some organizations, what they do is when the amount, if you cannot disclose the amount, they put in a limit. So any amount above maybe 2,000 or 3,000, then it becomes suspicious. Because for a 22-year-old person, to get 150,000 or 180,000 is huge. So I think they have raised enough points to get 7 points. Okay. And then the next one is Team Titans. So according to the AML, since the information of transaction details are not 100%, the bank should file a suspicious transaction report. I mentioned this one to you in my report. To the International Financial Corporation and Financial Intelligence Center about possible money laundering activity. Also, the bank should not proceed with the account opening in process or her transfer request, since she cannot prove the source of her income. In the process of resolving the complaint of the customer, the bank should exercise professional obedience and competence. So for them to, because of the technical ways that they have used here, they are going to get 6/10. So Team Titans, 6/10. Thank you very much for your attention. So on this note, we are putting all the scores together, and then we will do a handshake, and 3 teams will remain to the next stage. Okay, but let's clap for all of them. Okay. So what? Let me give them one. Of round 3, the total is as follows. Okay. We have Team Bold Vision, 24 marks. Team Excellence, 15 marks, or 15 points. Team Titan, 22. Team Stars, 16 points. Team Mapping, 16 points. So, But I need 3 teams for now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to ask bonus question to Team Stars and Team Mapping. Okay, one each question. No bonus. Is it clear? It's like you answer like penalty. You score or you are not able to score. Okay. So please just prepare yourself. Okay. So this is to team mapping. Money laundering is the process of disguising the origins of illegally obtained money. Money laundering is the process of disguising the origins of illegally obtained money, typically by means of transfers involving foreign banks or legitimate businesses. It typically occurs in 3 stages. Mention the 3 stages. Mention the 3 stages. Team mapping. Please time it for me. This is a bonus question. Whoever gets it correct stays. So the stages in anti-money laundering. Team Stars. The same question. Is there another question? No, because it's a bonus. They had the same mark, so we want one question so that whoever is able to answer can stay. Yes.
So we have integration.
Wait, please, sorry, there's a concern here. Please, what's the issue? Please, can you speak up?
Can you try?
Can you?
Answer the question.
No, please. This one is for the team mapping and stars because they had the same point, 16-16. Is it okay? Yes. So it will not be fair to ask the 2 of them to go. And it also not be fair to ask them to stay, to make the 4 round. Okay. So, please.
So we have integration. I think.
The stages in anti-money laundering, you said, okay.
Integration.
Or the process.
Yes, please.
Integration.
And then,
Okay, thank you. Yeah, so the stages are placement stage. We have the layering of stage. And we have the integration stage. So we will give it to Team Stars. Okay, so now the teams that are going to the next round, the round 4, are the first team is Team Bold Vision. The second team is Team Titan. Team Titan, please clap for them. The next one is Team Stars. Thank you very much. Okay, on this note, team mapping and team excellence, you've done well. Okay, you've done well. You've also come to learn something. So, as we said, we have to have some scoring. Okay, you are good. You've all done very well. So we hope to see you next time, God willing, because most of you are in level 300 or 100. So we will meet again, God willing, for the next quiz. Okay, all the best. Thank you. Wait. Well done, eh? Well done. Oh, where's the other one?
Hello there. Get ready for an exciting intellectual experience. The Accounting and Finance Department under the Faculty of Business Administration of Pentecost University proudly presents the maiden edition of Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge 2025, happening on the 3rd of December at 9:30 a.m. sharp at the JM Auditorium. This challenge brings together brilliant minds to explore real-world ethical issues in banking, finance, and corporate decision-making. Find a team to learn and experience a touch of academic excellence and scholarship on fire.
Hello, lovely viewers. Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge is once again here at Pentecost University. My name is Adalem Joseph Ayinsongba, representing Team A. Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge is a program that is hosted by the Banking and Finance Department for all banking and accounting students. It is a quiz challenge. It is happening live at the GM Auditorium, coming live on 3rd December 2025. I will be expecting to see you there. It will be a great experience. I am representing Team Titans and my colleagues out there. Excellent answers, excellent brains.
Hello everyone, we are the Team Excellence and my name is Dakwa Samuel with my colleagues.
My name is Opoko Richmond.
We are the contestants for the upcoming Medium Banking and Finance Ethics Challenge, which is organized by the Accounting and Finance Department of the Pentecost University.
Watch out for us.
We are coming with fire.
You can't afford to miss this program. See you there.
You can't afford to miss this program. See you there.
You can't afford to miss this program. See you there.
This program is proudly sponsored by CIB Ghana, Vodek Africa, Benkov Creative Media, and Pentvars. Our media partners are Pensa PU Media Team, Video Africa, Benkov Creative Media, and Confidence TV.
My, so freaking cute sometimes, yeah.
Hello there. Get ready for an exciting intellectual experience. The Accounting and Finance Department under the Faculty of Business Administration of Pentecost University proudly presents the maiden edition of Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge 2025, happening on the 3rd of December at 9:30 a.m. sharp at the JM Auditorium. This challenge brings together brilliant minds to explore real-world ethical issues in banking, finance, and corporate decision-making. Find a team to learn and experience a touch of academic excellence and scholarship on fire.
Hello, lovely viewers. Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge is once again here at Pentecost University. My name is Adalem Joseph Ayinsongba, representing Team A. Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge is a program that is hosted by the Banking and Finance Department for all banking and accounting students. It is a quiz challenge. It is happening live at the GM Auditorium, coming live on 3rd December 2025. I will be expecting to see you there. It will be a great experience. I am representing Team Titans and my colleagues out there. Excellent answers, excellent brains.
Hello everyone, we are the Team Excellence and my name is Dakwa Samuel with my colleagues.
My name is Opoko Richmond.
We are the contestants for the upcoming Medium Banking and Finance Ethics Challenge, which is organized by the Accounting and Finance Department of the Pentecost University.
Watch out for us.
We are coming with fire.
You can't afford to miss this program. See you there.
You can't afford to miss this program. See you there.
You can't afford to miss this program. See you there.
This program is proudly sponsored by CIB Ghana, Vodek Africa, Benkov Creative Media, and Pentvars. Our media partners are Pensa PU Media Team, Video Africa, Benkov Creative Media, and Confidence TV.
So freaking cute sometimes, yeah.
Hello there. Get ready for an exciting intellectual experience. The Accounting and Finance Department under the Faculty of Business Administration of Pentecost University proudly presents the maiden edition of Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge 2025, happening on the 3rd of December at 9:30 a.m. sharp at the JM Auditorium. This challenge brings together brilliant minds to explore real-world ethical issues in banking, finance, and corporate decision-making. Find a team to learn and experience a touch of academic excellence and scholarship on fire.
Hello, lovely viewers. Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge is once again here at Pentecost University. My name is Adalem Joseph Ayinsongba, representing Team A. Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge is a program that is hosted by the Banking and Finance Department for all banking and accounting students. It is a quiz challenge. It is happening live at the GM Auditorium, coming live on 3rd December 2025. I will be expecting to see you there. It will be a great experience. I am representing Team Titans and my colleagues out there. Excellent answers, excellent brains.
Hello everyone, we are the Team Excellence and my name is Dakwa Samuel with my colleagues.
My name is Opoko Richmond.
We are the contestants for the upcoming Medium Banking and Finance Ethics Challenge, which is organized by the Accounting and Finance Department of the Pentecost University.
Watch out for us.
We are coming with fire.
You can't afford to miss this program. See you there.
You can't afford to miss this program. See you there.
You can't afford to miss this program. See you there.
Under the Department, Accounting and Finance. Our sponsors are CIB Ghana, Vodek, and Benkov. We are on the 4th round, the 4th and the 5th round to end the session. The 4th round is divided into 2 parts. You are going to answer 3 questions under this session. And there's a bonus question. If you are not able to answer your question, we'll pass it on to the next group to answer, the next team. So I will start with Team Titan. Sorry. The marks. Yes, okay. So the bonus mark is 2. No. The bonus, if you get it wrong, there's no deduction of your marks, of your existing marks. Please use the mic. You know, it's so that there will be transparency. So use the mic.
Madam, please, if you get the major question wrong, will there be a deduction?
No, please.
Thank you, madam.
Okay, the time is 10 seconds. But for the bonus, it's 5 seconds. For the bonus, it's 5 seconds. We can go on. Okay. So I'm starting with Team Titan. The managing director, this one is a graphic business segment. The managing director of Fidelity Bank Ghana, Julian Opuni, has underscored the need for stronger ecosystems to drive regional integration and trade competitiveness across the African continent. Mention 3 foundational pillars or anchors for a robust ecosystem that can unlock Africa's economic potential and transform its role in global value chains. So that's the start of the bell.
Please, the question again.
Okay. The managing director of Fidelity Bank Ghana, Julian Opuni, has underscored the need for stronger ecosystems to drive regional integration and trade competitiveness across the African continent. Mention 3 foundational pillars or anchors for a robust ecosystem that can unlock Africa's economic potential and transform its role in global value chains.
Madam, so the managing director suggested that they come together with government institutions and private institutions to form the fintech fund in order to develop cybersecurity and e-payment systems. And there will be low tariffs.
And also, I have here sound policies. These are what she recommended. Sound policies, modern infrastructure, and sustainable practices. So, sorry, you are not getting any mark for this. I wanted to pass it on for bonus question. But, okay. So, stars. Team Stars. State the 3 key actions required to build strong ecosystems beyond finance, as highlighted by Julian Opuni and the Ghana Horticultural Expo 2025 in Accra.
Hey, Madam, so Julian Opuni stated that they have to innovate machines that will enhance productivity in the agricultural sector. And building our economy is not just something for finance, but the citizens, we have to tune their minds in we have to educate them. And
within what I have here. Okay, so let me pass it on as a bonus question.
All right, so he stated that funds that are provided for businesses they should give them the funds, provide the funds on low interest rates, and then for them to also be able to operate on low operational costs.
Okay, sorry. This one is not correct. What I have here is supporting policies that make cross-border trade more predictable and investing in cold chain infrastructure and logistics. Embracing sustainability as a real competitive advantage. So you can, the audience, you bear with me that this point didn't come out clearly. Okay. So team Bold Vision, your main question. At the Ghana Horticultural Expo 2025 in Accra, Mr. Opuni highlighted the critical role of the horticulture sector in driving inclusive growth, foreign exchange, generation, and national development. Mention any 3 specific activities did the Expo feature to support the horticultural sector?
All right. So they provided an amount of 145 million Ghana cedis, and then also urged the investors to invest in products such as vegetables, fruits, and flowers to create job opportunities for individuals and also to boost exports.
Okay. Sorry. I'm trying to see how many points. I think I'll give you 1 out of 3. 1 out of 3. Because I have here matchmaking with global buyers. I have here high-level policy discussions. Apart from the money that they gave, they put in some policies that they will have to implement. And export training sessions. And focus on women and youth in agro-business or in agricultural businesses. And climate smart technologies. Okay, so I think 1 for I had business or something, yeah. Okay, so I'll continue with Bold Vision again. Standard Chartered Bank has hosted a transformative new initiative, Ops to Ops, a client engagement forum designed to connect directly with the operations teams of its corporate and institutional clients. Mention 2 specific topics discussed by participants at the forum each. Okay, Standard Chartered Bank has hosted a transformative new initiative, Ops to Ops, to bracket O2O, a client engagement forum designed to connect directly with the operations team of its corporate and institutional clients. Mention 2 specific topics discussed by participants at the forum each.
All right, so it was to design a collaborative methods of communication through the internet, then also to organize annual meetings to help them unite and then
Okay, I think for this, I can't award any mark on this. So who can take it as a bonus? So no mark for this one, please. A bonus. Who wants to take it as a bonus question? Bonus. And the question? Oh, then it's okay. Okay, yes. So you pay attention. So if you are not able to answer and you have the opportunity to take it as a bonus, then you pick it first. Is it clear? Yes. So we are going on. So Team Stars, please pay attention to this. So the others, you can also pay attention because if they are not able to answer, then you can also, we are not saying they shouldn't answer, but at least we are all learning, okay, and scoring marks too. So Ghana Stock Exchange, in partnership with the Young Investors Network and other industry players, launched 2025 National Youth Investment and Financial Literacy Program in Accra. Mention 3 key initiatives or components of the program as stated in the article.
So they were encouraging the youth in investing in government bonds, and not things that they are prone to lose their principal. And they were encouraging them to buy shares, and they were encouraging them to work hard. Yes, and invest. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. So I'll give 2 out of 3 for this one. We can clap to support them, okay? On this note, let's be clapping to support them. Yes. I have here investment training tour, and then stock pitch competition, and then capital market quiz. So that's where they will be investing in the long-term investment products so that their money will not just be eroded. Okay. So I have, the next one is going to Team Titans. So mention 3 institutions that partnered to reach over 88,500 students across 108 students with financially illiteracy program in 2024, as listed in the article.
Okay, so we have the Young Investors Network, and we have the Ghana Stock Exchange, and we have the financial institution or bankers.
Okay, so you are getting 2 out of 3. So we can support them with a clap. Yes. The third one is the Central Security Depository. Okay, CSD. Okay, thank you. So we are going to, I think we are done with, we've done 2 sets, right? We are left with the last set for this session, 4 or round 4A. Okay, so okay, so I want to continue with Team Titans. Who has cautioned the youth against high-risk investment schemes disguised as quick money opportunities in the article? Who advised the youth? Who cautioned or advised the youth against high-risk investment schemes disguised as quick money opportunities in the article?
Okay. Dr. Ajari.
Please come again.
Dr. Ajari.
Ajari. No, please. So no mark for this. So please, bonus question.
Right, so it was Security and Exchange Commission.
No, the question is who advised them? Who cautioned the youth? So it's bonus, it's pass. So who wants to try? So that's all, only one attempt for the bonus. Okay, thank you. So, sorry, no mark for this. We should allow them to. Okay, please, you want to attempt?
Okay, Mr. Emmanuel Asari.
Who?
Emmanuel Asari or something.
Mr. Emmanuel Asari. Oh, sorry. No. It's good to attempt. That's what I like. You have to make the effort. He said, sorry. The answer. Oh, yes, the answer is Dr. Edu Anan Enchi. So when you said doctor, but you have a lot of doctors here, so I can't say once the moment you said doctor, I will give you 1 out of 3. Do you see the way it is? So the next one, please pay attention. Team Bold Vision. In the article, who has disclosed that the removal of tariffs under the China-Ghana trade policy is timely relief for local businesses to strive? In the article, who has disclosed that the removal of tariffs under the China-Ghana trade policy is timely relief for local businesses to strive? Correct point. Please, let's clap for the team both. So this one, 3 marks, okay? The name, okay, please repeat it.
Mr. Samson Asaki Awingobit.
Please, have you heard him now? Okay, and that's the same one that I have here. So that's why I'm giving full mark. Yes, now, Stars, Team Stars. Who disclosed that financially literate youth was a catalyst for national development and a financially informed citizenry was the bedrock of a vibrant capital market? Who disclosed that? So pay attention if you want to take it as a bonus question in case they understand. You are not saying they should answer. So Team Stars, who disclosed that financially literate youth was a catalyst for national development and a financially informed city. We should pass it on as a bonus. We should pass it on. Please, who wants to take it as a bonus question?
Julian Opuni.
Mr.
Julian Opuni.
Julian Opuni. Oh, no. No, please. I have here Jerry Boache Dankwa. Jerry Boache Dankwa. Okay, financial literacy is what we are also doing today. So, you see, it's a national agenda. Okay, it's a national agenda so that we become stronger as an economy and as a nation too, and internationally. Okay, so what we are doing is in the national plan. Okay, yes. So financial literacy, that's what we are doing. So those of you who want to know more about such documents, you can also search online. Okay, thank you very much. So this brings us to the end of the round 4A. We will put the scores together and then we will continue. Or we should continue? Yes. Okay, so we are going to the true or false. True or false. Please, for this side, there's a reduction of mark. if you give a wrong answer. Okay. So you are not sure of the answer. It's better you don't attempt. And then, so there's no bonus for this one too. Yeah, because once somebody says false, the other answer is true. So we will not, this is the way it is, so no bonus. Okay, so the first set, I will start with, you want to ask a question? It's 5 seconds. This is 5 seconds. Because it's fast. Okay, 5 seconds. We'll try and have about 5 questions under this session. So, because it's very fast, we'll finish very soon. Okay. So, I'll start with Team Bold Vision. A banker must disclose a potential conflict of interest only if the conflict eventually affects a transaction. Hello? Please, can you hear me? You can hear me? Okay. Yes, so please pay attention. Pay attention because they are short questions. Maybe I'll not be able to repeat them. So let's pay attention. I'll not be able to explain them. Is it clear? Yes. So a banker must disclose a potential conflict of interest only if the conflict eventually affects a transaction.
False.
It's correct. So, 3 points. Right? It's 3 points. Yeah. Okay. Team Titans. Hiring a staff member dismissed elsewhere for professional misconduct violates the interbank relationship guidelines, even if the new bank was unaware. Please, hiring a staff member dismissed as elsewhere for professional misconduct violates the interbank relationship guidelines, even if the new bank was unaware.
True.
It's correct. Okay. So, Team Stars. Members must continue to keep customer information confidential, even after leaving employment. True or false?
True.
What?
True.
Yeah, true. Okay, thank you. It's correct. So you can cheer them with more clapping, okay? Yes. I hope you are recording. Okay, so let's go to the next set. I will start with Team Stars. Fraudsters never target dormant accounts because they are inactive. True or false? No, please, it's false. Fraudsters never target dormant accounts because they are inactive. Fraudsters, they will go anywhere. Whether the account is dormant or is not dormant. So for them not to, for the question to say they will never attempt it is false. Okay, so with your permission, audience, I will give them another question. Please. No, please use the mic. You know what? The instruction was. Yes, when I ask a question and it's not clear, so because, sorry, forgive me, for fairness. When I ask a question and it's not clear or you didn't hear me, Raise up your hand. Don't wait for the time to elapse. This is the way it is. Before you tell me you didn't hear, it's not fair. I have my bosses here. My integrity is also at stake. Is it clear? And the audience, the online audience are also watching me. I'm also a professional. You see, I have to also protect my integrity. Okay, so please, because I'm now re-emphasizing this, I'll give them another question. So pay attention. If you do not hear, let me know fast before the time runs out. Okay, so now the other question that I'm giving is, an employee might accept valuable gifts from customers if she does not influence business decisions. If it does not influence business decisions. Okay, it's wrong. It's false. Okay, you are not to accept gifts. Okay, don't start, because it will start small like that. Then the person will be bringing business deals. Okay, so don't take bribe, don't take gifts from customers at all. Okay, so no mark for this one. Okay, so this one, you are going to lose a mark, eh? They will lose a mark. Anyone who gives a wrong answer will lose a mark. So if you are not comfortable, don't attempt it. So the second one, please, team, audience, we are doing this together, so pay attention. The second one, I'm starting with team Titans. Fraudsters sometimes use mail accounts to launder money through unsuspecting customers. Fraudsters sometimes use mail accounts. It's M-U-L-E. To launder money through unsuspecting customers. Okay. Bonus. And they didn't make attempt, so bonus. Bonus. Yes, the bonus, if you give wrong answer, your mark will be deducted. So. Okay. So the answer is true. So fraudsters, they use different accounts and to transfer the money to unsuspecting customers. Sometimes an innocent person somewhere will receive money, then later they will call the person, oh, sorry, we were trying to, so please transfer it back to us or transfer it to this. We'll give you a portion. Okay, so so no mark for the group for this one. Okay. So who is next? Bold vision. Frequent password changes guarantee complete fraud protection. Frequent password changes guarantee complete fraud protection.
True.
False. It's false. So minus 1. He said, the question was for bold vision. Once they said true, the other one is false, so there's no bonus. Do you see the way it is? But if they don't attempt it at all, that's where we'll ask someone. Okay, thank you. So we are done with the second set. So team bold vision. A loan The Ghanaian banking sector is typically classified as non-performing when the borrower has missed principal or interest payment for 90 days or more. You use the mic for me to repeat the question. Do you see the so that say what do you want me to?
The question again.
The question again. Okay. A loan in the Ghanaian banking sector is typically classified as non-performing when the borrower has missed principal or interest payments for 90 days or more.
True.
Okay. It's correct. It's correct. Okay, so Team Titan. High non-performing loans normally affect the operational efficiency of a bank, but have little impact on its overall profitability. High non-performing loans.
It's false.
Thank you. It's correct. Yeah. So 3 points. Team Stars. Restructured loans automatically become performing as soon as the terms are agreed upon by the bank and the borrower. Restructured loans automatically become performing as soon as the terms are agreed upon by the bank and the borrower. Please, I didn't hear you.
Yes, it's true.
Oh, no, it's false. So you lose a mark for that. Restructured loan. The loan was not performing. They just restructured, put in, extended the time or adjusted something for the customer. It doesn't make the loan performing. They're just giving the customer extra time to come and start paying. Okay. So you have to wait a little before you can say it's performing. When you start paying, before it becomes a performing loan. But it's not expired again. Do you see the difference? It's not expired again. Okay. So the next one, so I think we are done with the third set, right? So we are going to the fourth set. I will start with Team Titan. The primary objective of KYC guidelines is to stop banks from being used for money laundering and the financing of tourism.
Question again.
The primary objective of KYC guidelines is to stop banks from being used for money laundering and the financing of terrorism. Thank you.
Adam, is true. True.
Okay, it's correct. So 3 points. Okay. So Team Stars. KYC procedures are a one-time activity required only when a new account is opened. KYC procedures are a one-time activity required only when a new account is opened. Yes, it's correct. It's false. KYC, you have to be updating. So there's a mark for them. So bold vision. All customers are treated with the same level of scrutiny under the KYC rules, regardless of the potential risk they pose. Okay, it's true, it's false. Okay, so it's correct for them. Correct mark. Okay. Okay. Let me go to the cybersecurity aspect. We've talked a lot about anti-money laundering, so let's take a different preamble. So cybersecurity, so I'm starting with Team Bold Vision. Bold. So cybersecurity is only concerned with protecting against external hackers and malware attacks, not inside threats. Cybersecurity.
False.
Is false. Which is correct. Okay, so they've scored. Okay, so Team Titan. Once a data breach occurs, the only major consequence for a bank is the immediate financial loss from stolen funds. Once a data breach occurs, the only major consequence for a bank is the immediate financial loss from stolen funds.
False.
Yes, it is correct. They've scored. Okay. Yes. Because once the person gets access to your data, it's not a one-time thing. They can get more money. It's not only the money that they get immediately. Unless you're able to find out and close the gap or increase your security. Other than that, it's like you've opened your house to them to come in anytime. Okay, yes. So, who is next? Team Stars. Okay, then we'll end this session, right? Okay, Team Stars. The majority of cybersecurity breaches are caused by technical system failures rather than human error. The majority of cybersecurity breaches are caused by technical system failures rather than human error.
True.
True. No, the answer is false. So they are losing a mark for this one too. Please, I'm tempted to explain this one briefly. The cybersecurity breaches. Assuming you disclose your password to your friend. Or better still, you just put it there without disguising it and somebody picks it. It's not a system. You have made the person have access to your information because your password is open. Is it clear? Or better still, you see, when I was going down, as I took my papers, assuming I left them here, and then you pick them and you see the questions, this one is human error. It's not system. So it's not that it's all the time that the system is weak. Is it clear? Sometimes we, the human beings, too, by our own negligence or thinking that we trust some people, so we can disclose our PINs or Momo or password to them. Okay. So thank you very much. We have come to the end of the round 4. So please, we put them together for us. Then we'll go to the final round.
Hello there. Get ready for an exciting intellectual experience. The Accounting and Finance Department under the Faculty of Business Administration of Pentecost University proudly presents the maiden edition of Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge.
Pentvars Banking and Finance Ethics Challenge. CIB Ghana, Vodec Africa, and Pentvars. The media sponsors are Prince Anan on YouTube, and Kobe Confidence on Facebook. Thank you.
Hello there. Get ready for an exciting intellectual experience. The Accounting and Finance Department under the Faculty of Business Administration of Pentecost University proudly presents the maiden edition of Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge 2025, happening on the 3rd of December at 9:30 a.m. sharp at the JM Auditorium. This challenge brings together brilliant minds to explore real-world ethical issues in banking, finance, and corporate decision-making. Find a team to learn and experience a touch of academic excellence and...
We are going to have riddles. And then once I give, there are different points. The first point, once you know the answer and you give us the answer after mentioning the first point, you are having 5 points. Okay. But if I have to go on to the second one, before you give me the answer, it's 4 points. Okay. And if I have to read all the other clues before you can answer, you are getting 3 points. So the moment I start and you know the answer, you can just give me your bell is, so you press your bell, then you answer. That's the sound. Oh, let me see the sound. You have different sounds. Okay. Oh, why? Okay, thank you. So at the end of the round four alone, Bold Vision had 15 points. Team Titans had 14 points. And Team Stars had 5 points. So, putting all together, the scores are, for the Bold Vision team, the total is 39 points. For Team Titans, it's 36 points. And for Team Stars, what's happening? I just want to leave this thing. We are there. But if we answer, we can go second.
Hello. Two.
Hello. You want fighting? How many things is fight? Can give me different one. There we go. He's fighting. Hello. Yes. He's fighting. Let me go to the washroom before they will come. Huh? I'm fresh. Okay. That's why they do that. Hello. Thank you. Guys, let's come together. Let's do this. Yes. Please, we are continuing. We are the last round. We'll be finishing soon. Someone gets it wrong. What's our total points? We have not gotten our own points. Okay. So I'm starting with team. Yes, there is the radios. No team. So whoever has it, okay. Oh, okay. Thank you. Hey, then someone, you all have to be very fast, okay? Okay. So I am. They have their bell. Yes. So whoever is ready. Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. The sound, yes. Let's know the sound. One by one, so that we can identify you, for transparency. Yes. So press yours. Team Bold Vision, okay. Okay, and then Team Titans. Okay, and then Team Stars. Okay. Okay, so please pay attention. I am a set of programming.
I want to ask a question.
Okay. Okay.
So, please, I want to know how many riddles are we answering, and then also if you answer and you get it wrong, would there be a deduction?
So the riddles are 5. They are 5. No deduction. There's no deduction. Okay. There's no deduction. So they are 5.
You said what?
Not take part again.
For that particular one. Okay. Yes. Okay. Again, for that team. Please, is it clear? Okay. So I am a set of programming codes that queries data, pass responses, and sends instructions between one software platform and another. I allow 2 softwares. It's okay. Just then you raise up your hand or the answer. Yes.
Madam, application program interface or
Okay.
API.
Okay. So I think I'll give you 4 marks. Okay, 4. Because I think I started the second one before. So 4 marks. Is it fair? Okay. So 4. Okay. The next one is I am the transfer of funds from one bank account to another, either within a single financial institution or across multiple institutions via computer-based systems. I generally consist of a series of electronic messages set between financial institutions, directing each to make the debit and credit accounting entries necessary to complete the transaction. I initiate when the sender authorizes the transfer of funds from their bank account to the recipient account. My transactions are known by a number of names across countries and different payment systems. For example, in the United States, they may be called to me as electronic checks or e-checks.
Digital banking.
Digital banking. I have here electronic funds transfer. So what do you think, audience? It's not correct. It's not correct. Yeah, because we are using technical words. Okay, so digital banking is not, this one is under transfer. Okay, so I'm going on number 3. I am a network security system. Please, are you listening? I want the audience to also hear. I am a network security system that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on configurable security rules. I appeared in John Bethleham's 1983 computer hacking movie, War Games, spoken by the bearded and best spectacle programmer called a name Paul Richter, which possibly inspired its later use. I typically establishes a barrier between a trusted network and
firewalls.
Okay, it's correct. So for 3 points. For 3 points. Okay, because I read further before. Well done. So question 4. I represent a calculated value of or index that makes it possible to compare the total amount of greenhouse gases that an activity, product, company, or country adds to the atmosphere. In the banking sector, understanding and managing me is crucial for minimizing environmental impacts and promoting sustainability.
Environmental and social footprint.
Please, he said?
Environmental and social footprint.
No. You should, yeah, so please, whoever can. He said. Are you done with the question? The question. Okay, I quantify the environmental. No, the points are more. The points are more. I just read up to 2. So I'm continuing. So by the time I'm done on the 5th point, maybe they would have understood it. Is it clear? So I quantify the point 3 is I quantify the environmental impacts of an organization's activity, specifically focusing on greenhouse gas emissions resulting from operations, including energy consumption, transportation, and waste management. I am, is it somebody's bell? Hey, sorry, I thought, okay. So,
Green banking.
Is that green?
Banking.
No. It's left to the last one. You have the answer.
Carbon footprint.
Carbon footprint. Yes, it's correct. But for 3 points, It's correct for 3 points, okay? It's correct for 3 points, okay. So now we are left with the last one, the last question for this competition. So pay attention, okay. I am a virtual assistant, please. I am a virtual assistant that interfaces with customers through text or voice interface.
AI.
Please.
AI chatbot.
AI?
Chatbot.
Okay, it's correct for 5 points. Hello. We are waiting for the final score. I want to emphasize emphasize that you've been watching us from Pentecost University, and the program is Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge. Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge 2025. Being organized by Faculty of Business Administration under the department, Accounting and Finance Department. We have our sponsors. Our sponsors are CIB Ghana, Chartered Institute of Bankers, Ghana. And we have a representative here too. And also sponsored by Vodek and Ben Koff. And the media partners are Kobe Confidence and and Banking Ethics Challenge on YouTube. Okay. I want to ask the contestants to briefly share with us their experience so far and what they are expecting to be the final outcome.
Yeah, so as I earlier said, we came to learn, and indeed we've learned our lessons. Thank you.
Yes, please, Team Titans.
So it has been an exciting journey so far. We have learned a lot and hoping for the best.
Well done. Team Stars.
Okay, so it has been a very tough journey, and it's not necessarily winning that makes you the king, but I think it helps us all to learn and learn very well. Thank you very much.
Doctor, you want to say something whilst you're waiting for the final score? Hello, please pay attention. We have one of our bosses from CIB. Wait, let him talk first. So you still put it down. Yes, so sir, it's a privilege to have you here, so we want you to.
Thank you very much. You know, as I said, I was expecting an exciting contest, and in fact, it's been exciting, right? Today being I think the maiden edition, right? We are hoping the other editions will be better, right? So it's been, I'm sure we've learned a lot here. Okay. Thank you. I'm sure you've all learned, right? You've learned a lot. Those doing pure accounting, you've learned something about banking. Those also doing banking and financial, you've also learned something about cyber security and then the other stuffs, right? So please, what you've learned, let's carry it along, right? And let's continue to learn. To contestants, in fact, you've done very well, right? You've done very well. You are all winners. And let's make our next edition better. Thank you very much. And in fact, Madam Quiz Mistress, you've also done so well. Thank you, thank you.
For the opportunity. Okay, thank you, thank you. Hello. Yeah, so wow. For the round 5, we have Team Vision, Team Bold Vision, 3 points. Team Titan, 12 points. Team Stars, no point for round 5. It's only round 5 that they didn't score anything. So putting all together, the third position is Team Stars. With 21 points. The first position with 48 points. The second position with 42 points. You see how close the marks are? So I have the honor to announce the winner of the first position. We are all winners. As our boss has told, we are all winners. We are here to learn. The first position goes to Team Titan. The second position goes to Team Bold Vision. Thank you very much, the audience, too, for your attention. Thank you all very much for coming. So please hold on. I'll find out from the head of department one next. Okay. Yes. Hello. So please, let's have Team Mapping and Team Stars. No, Team Stars are already here. So Team what? Excellence. Let them join us here for their certificate of participation. Hello? Okay, so we have certificate of participation going to Odo Richmond, Opoku Richmond. Well done. Okay. Thank you. I said Odo. Sorry. Okay, so certificate of participation going to Ofori Prince Kwesi. Oh, okay, he's not there. Okay, okay. Hello. The next one is going to Agadago Jeremiah. I'm trying to pronounce the name. Okay, thank you. Okay, so the next one goes to Dakwa Samuel Kwame Acha. Samuel Kwame Dakwa. Okay. Okay. The next one goes to Abigail Donko. We don't have much time. So the next one goes to Felix Techi. The next one goes to Isaac Opoku Francois. Thank you. The next one goes to Adamu Ebenezer Boateng. The next one goes to Maratu Hamilton. Yeah, okay. Hamilton. Okay. You see, I'm also learning foreign names, eh? You see? I've come to learn. Okay, the next one goes to Nyaku Emmanuel. Thank you for supporting me. The next one goes to Ope Albert. The next one goes to Dimasa Samuel. Oh, Professor. Okay. Okay. The next one goes to Adaminli Joseph. Ayensu Ba. Joseph is enough. Okay, thank you. The next one goes to Fojo Kingsford. Okay, the next one goes to Odro Sampson. Thank you. Okay. Hello. We are almost done. So we want to call our boss, Mr. Emmanuel Dankwa, to do the presentation of the cash award and then the trophy. Okay. Team Bold Vision. We can. Okay.
Okay, so this is a cash prize for the second runner-up. So congratulations to Team Stars for winning the third position. There's a cash prize of 300 Ghana cedis. Yeah, for Team Stars. So please. Okay. So.
Team, all of you come so that I take a picture. Take a picture with our picture. The next one.
500. Okay, I think okay. So the first runner-up is Team Bold Vision, and they win a cash prize of 500 Ghana cedis. So please let's appreciate them, Team Bold Vision. And the winner for the maiden edition of Pentvars Banking and Ethics Challenge, Team Titans. And they win a cash prize of 1,000 Ghana cedis. Let's appreciate them, And a trophy, yes. So 1,000 Ghana cedi cash and a trophy.
Thank you.